Oven fried chicken is the easiest way to get deep, rich flavors without a lot of fuss. This easy oven fried chicken recipe is simple. Also, you'll get crispy skin with juicy chicken pieces. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First, I'll marinate the chicken. Take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, add 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 2 tablespoons onion juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic juice, salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients and make the fine paste. You can use the onion and garlic powder instead of their juice. Now add the skinned bone-in chicken pieces. I have taken 1250 grams of chicken. From this amount of chicken, I cut 9 pieces of chicken. Now massage the chicken pieces with this spice mixture gently. You just need few times to pulling together a simple coating and then just bake them to get the yummy crispy fried chicken. Enjoy the crispy juicy taste of fried chicken without the oil and greasiness. This recipe fried chicken in the oven, so it's easier, healthier and cleaner. Rest this marinated chicken for 30 minutes. Now into another bowl, take 200 ml of buttermilk, 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, bay leaves. Now mix them to make a batter. I'll dip the marinated chicken into this buttermilk and egg mixture. After 30 minutes, put the marinated chicken into this batter. Chickens are nicely seasoned with all the spices. Definitely cover the bowl while you marinate this into the refrigerator so that all the chicken pieces are soaked in the buttermilk well. Rest this marinated chicken at least for 4 hours. If you have time, you can rest this chicken for overnight. So now into a plate, take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon oregano and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix all the spices with all-purpose flour and corn flour. After 4 hours, I take them out from the refrigerator. You can see the chickens are nicely soaked into the buttermilk. Now take 1 piece of chicken and put it into the flour mixture and nicely coat the chicken with the flour and spice mixture. Coat it well. To make this fried chicken more tasty, you definitely make mango mayonnaise or coriander mayonnaise or chipotle mayonnaise. I'll give all the dipping sauce link in the description box. After coating, shake the excess flour off and put them on the baking tray. This is totally a oil and fat-free recipe, so it's very healthy version of fried chicken. Now coat the chicken well. Leaving the skin on bone-in chicken pieces keeps the meat moist in the oven. For the crispiest results, make sure flour gets into all the little crevices of raw chicken and even under any hanging skin. And remove the excess flour by little shaking. I'll do the rest. Preheat the oven on 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. After preheating, place the chicken tray into the oven and bake on 200 degrees centigrade for 50 minutes. After 25 minutes, turn them if required. You can see that the fat of chickens are melted out on the tray below. You can also see chickens are golden brown and crisp. Serve this hot and crispy yummy fried chicken with your favorite dip. That's it for today's video. If you liked the recipe, hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.